Hello and welcome back to another 10-minute challenge. My den is a freaking tip and it is doing my head in. This is a massive room, but it's not being utilised properly and I don't have enough storage units. But anyway, it's a mess, it's doing my head in, and I am very, very tired because we had a very, very busy weekend with lots of stuff going on. So I apologise if I'm not really with it today. I am going to pack some orders. I've got a wholesale order to pack, so I think I will start with that. Let's go. So I've been trying to improve the lighting in this room. Obviously this isn't a good shot. Firstly because there's this uber bright light behind me and it's all blown out, but having this blind closed with no airflow and 3 very hot lights on me, woo! It might be autumn, but I am sweating like it's the middle of summer. Wholesale order is done. So I think what I'm going to do next is work on the September Patreon rewards. But first, I'm going to take a break because it's so hot in here, and what I need to do next is going to make the room even hotter. So I am going to go and take a few minutes to cool down before I come back in here and heat the room up even more. I'm back. I've cooled down very, very slightly. What I'm going to be doing is making some tote bags for my Patreons. This is super, super exciting. I got gifted a heat press from HTVRont. Thank you very much, HTVRont. I absolutely love it. I've done some tests. I've tested out some tote bags, I've tested out some dice bags, I've even made some t-shirts, and I'm super, super excited. So I'm wearing one of the t-shirts at the moment. It didn't go very well, not because of the pressing or anything like that, but I chose the wrong vinyl to go on this colour t-shirt, and you can't really see the design because the contrast isn't enough. I'm also looking to make some t-shirts with DTF transfers, and I think I'm going to run them as a Kickstarter or pre-orders. I've showed them to my patrons and my patrons really like them, so yeah, fingers crossed. Let me just show you the vinyl. Got this gold iron-on vinyl from Hobbycraft. Oh, there's a little spider here. What was I saying? The tote bag design is going to be a Patreon exclusive. It's not going to be for sale anywhere else, not in my shop, just nowhere. So if you like the design and you want to get your hands on one, you've got until the last day of September, which I believe is Saturday, to sign up to the Magic Collector tier. So I'm going to get started with cutting the vinyl on my Cricut. So let's go. So you may have noticed that I got a new cricket. Oh, I'm stuck. I gave in and bought a new cricket. The old machine just wasn't getting updated, like the issue wasn't being fixed. And I reached out to Cricket multiple times and unfortunately I just didn't hear back. I did consider switching to a Silhouette, but I just didn't feel like I had, oh, I'm still stuck to my mat. I didn't have the time or patience to learn a whole new machine and software, so I just went for Cricket. It's very pretty. I love the colour. It's so quiet and it's so much faster than the old one. So I love it, but I still don't necessarily recommend it just because of their bad customer service. So yeah, just putting it out there. That's my new Cricket machine. She's really pretty and I need to name her. Maybe you can help me. Please suggest me some names for the new Cricket. And now I'm gonna do weeding, which is the part that takes a long time. All in all, I'd say that's probably the most successful weeding session I've ever had. So it says autumn strolls and cinnamon rolls. Yes, I'll have to wait for that to cool down completely before I peel it because this is a cold peel vinyl, which is going to take a few minutes. But honestly, like, yes, okay, this machine has been gifted to me, but I'm not like lying. I freaking love it. It's amazing. It heats up super, super quickly. It auto adjusts the pressure and it has this amazing pull out tray, as you saw, so that you're not like sticking your hands under a boiling hot heat plate. So it's like nice and safe as well. But yeah, it is going to be game changing. I'm so, so excited. I'm also so, so shiny because this is pure sweat. My body heat probably isn't helping. I just keep touching it. Stop touching. Oh my gosh, it's so shiny. Look. Oh, it's so cute. Autumn strolls and cinnamon rolls. That is so cute. I freaking love it. What do you think? Let me know. So these are going out to all of my patrons in the Magic Collector tier. So I've got to make some more and we'll have a whole army of autumn strolls and cinnamon rolls tote bags. Okay, so I just did one more tote bag and I was just going to show you like all of them at the end. And then I realized the time and like, where did the day go? I had so much more I needed to show you and now I'm like, oh, this is supposed to be a 10-minute vlog, not a 10-day vlog. I was going to print out and cut some of my new sticker sheets because I've already sold out some of those. So maybe I'll just like show you. Okay, so we've got Howland Sophie sticker sheets, cute little ghost and pumpkin stickers, colourful mushroom stickers, cute little froggy stickers. I feel like I'm missing one. I am the bookish ones. They're completely out of stock. So before I go, now HTVRont kindly gave me discount codes to share with you all. One of them ends tomorrow, and with how long it takes me to edit videos, it's likely that this video isn't going to be up until tomorrow, which means that on the day you're watching this, it's probably the last day. So check the description below. There will be a link and a code, but it is only valid until the 27th of September, which is tomorrow/today, depending on when I get this video up. However, the US code does last a little longer. So if you are in the US, you can get $25 off until the 30th of September. So there's a few more days on that. In the meantime, if HTVRont do give me another code, I will of course update the description with the new discount code. But yeah, you might only have today to get your discount, so get it in because it is a good deal. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and I will be back soon for another 10-minute challenge studio vlog. So bye, love you, bye. Oh, I'm a mess. So yeah, the tote bag, wow. They're really going for it. So the tote bag